Pakita ko sa kanya. Magic show? Parang hindi kayo bumili ba? Pero sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo Trisha, alam mo Rafi, alam mo yung snow, maraming size yan, tsaka maraming shape. May circle, may square, may rectangle, at iba't iba. At sabi ko, alam mo ba, snowflakes, maraming sizes. May small, medium, may large, may super small, may super large. Pero higit sa lahat, sabi ko sa kanya, alam mo, Rafi, alam mo ba? Yung snow ay gawa ni God, di ba? At ito ay gawa mula sa tubig. Magic workshop for kids on October 9, 15, and 16 sa Fully Book High Street, 4th level. So, interested po kayo, you can call me. Look at my Facebook, facebook.com/inspiredmagic. Mami Ann, thank you very much for having me and enjoy the rest of the party. Happy birthday, Rafi!
Hindi bola ang gagamitin natin, kundi plastic cup. Ayan. So, first players na. Sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Then sa girls, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay. So, mechanic ng game natin. Hawak ko si Cup. Player number 1. Pag tinawag ko si player number 1, automatic tumunod siya dito sa unahan. Okay? So, player number 1, pag sinabi kong dribble, exhibition, i-exhibition lang natin si Cup. Pag sinabi ko, dance the ball, syempre mag-dance siya. Okay? Sir, walang ano to.
Kaway.
Okay, pag sinabi ko, player number 1, pass to player number 2. Syempre, papasa ni player number 1 kay player number 2. Ganun.
Rangis.
Then when I say shoot that ball, kailangan
Rangis, movie.
dito sa upuan.
Rangis ka.
Okay? Players, are you ready? Players, are you ready? Say happy birthday, Rafi!
Happy birthday, Rafi!
Okay, player number 1, dribble. What is it? Ayan. So, dribble, exhibition, dance the ball, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 2. Player number 2, dribble, exhibition, player number 2, pass to player number 3. Player number 3, dribble, exhibition, dance the ball, pass to player number 4. Player number 4, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 5. Player number 5, dance the ball, pass to player number 1. Player number 1, dance the ball, pass to player number 2. Player number 2, dribble, exhibition, pass to player number 4. Player number 4, pass to player number 3. Player number 3, shoot that ball! Ayan, so 1 point for the beautiful. Team beautiful. Okay, pero kung naman natin yung mga team beautiful natin. Okay, take on. Habol tayo, boys, ha? Okay. Kuya.
Magaling mag-dribble, hindi ma-shoot.
Okay, ready. Player number 1. Player number 1, dribble, exhibition. Sino? Sino na una? Team Beautiful! Dahil natin sa palakpakan, okay? Team Beautiful! Sinili na sa sarili. How about the Team Bob? Teka lang ha. Mas maraming hakot yung mga boys natin dito. Okay, para fair tayo. All one. All one. All one tayo. Okay, ma'am. Sir. Kailangan, pabilisan to. Okay, player number one. Player number one, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition, dribble, dribble, exhibition. Dance the ball, pass player number three. Player number three, dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass player number five. Player number five, dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass player number four. Player number four, dance the ball, pass player number two. Player number two, dance the ball, pass player number one. Player number one, player number five. Player number five, shoot that ball. 2 points for the Team Beautiful. Okay, so habol tayo, boys. Okay, so now, player number one, get ready. Player number one, dribble, 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 exhibition, exhibition, dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass player number five. Player number five, dribble, dribble, exhibition, pass player number three. Player number three, dance the ball, pass player number two. Player number two, pass player number four. Player number four, pass player number one. Player number one, dance the ball, dribble, 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 exhibition, dance the ball. Dance the ball, pass player number five. Player number five, pass player number three. Player number three, player number four, dance the ball, pass player number two. Player number two, shoot that ball. Okay, so sabay ba? Sinong nauna? Okay, mami, sinong nauna? Boys or girls? Okay, kay daddy. Daddy, sinong nauna? Boys or girls? Dahil hindi natin malaman kung sino yung winner natin, iba yung mechanic ng game natin. Okay? So, yung mga girls natin, dito, one lang full of girls, dito naman. Iba yung mechanic ng game natin, ma'am. Pinakapin natin. Okay, so sa boys, yan lang po tayo. Okay, one line po tayo, girls. One line. Okay, one line tayo, boys and girls. So, iba yung mechanic ng game natin. Since hindi natin malaman kung sino yung winner sa atin. Ayan, kaya malaman natin kung sino yung winner talaga. Okay, so yung game natin ngayon is what we call SOS or body language. Wow! Okay. SOS or body language. So, si player number one, may hawak na balloon. Okay, player number one, hawak si balloon. Then, iikot siya ng isang beses sa upuan. Dito. Okay, for example, player number one, hawak si balloon. Iikot siya isang beses. Iikot na isang beses dito sa upuan. Then, after nun, pagdating niya dito, ang gagawin lang niya is mag-SOS. Okay? SOS. Paso player number two. Hawak si balloon. Okay, pagkatapos mag-SOS si player number one, ipapasa niyo si balloon kay player number two, kay next player hanggang kay player number five. Iikot siya din mag-SOS. Lahat po tayo mag-SOS, okay? Pagkatapos mag-SOS si player number five, puputukin niya si balloon, uupuan niya sa bangko. Okay? Upuan niya si balloon, then after niya upuan, pagkaputok ni balloon, isisigaw lang nila, Happy Birthday, Rafi. Then, sila yung winner natin. Okay? Malinaw po ba? Players, are you ready? Okay, so kids, sasave muna tayo, kids. Okay, so yung game natin ngayon pabilisan, pero kulang pa, baka madulas tayo. Okay, get ready, players! Player number one, 1, 2, 3, and go! Player number one, go! Ikot! Ikot, then S! O! S! Pass the next player! Player number two! Player number two, and S! O! S! Pass player number three! Player number three, go! S! O! S! Pass the next player number four! Player number four! sa akin ng gagi ni Tosheng winner, okay? Now, bring me an invitation card! Go! Wala ba? Wala ba, mami? Okay, so, erase. Okay, now. Bring me. Okay, so, sige. Hindi. Babaguhin ko, hindi na invitation card. Who can bring me color pink na balloon? Pink na balloon. 1, 2, 3, pink. Sabi ko, bigyan mo sa akin, di baluin mo. Ayan, nagiging mo talaga siya ng game prizes natin. Thank you for joining me. This is a prize, yeah. Dahil kagulat kayo, okay, now. Next bring me game. Bring me a 20 peso bill. Yung bago, yung bago. Yung bago, 20 peso bill. Bago, 1. Okay, so kaya mo winner, kuya? Okay, so bibigyan kita ng here. Okay. It's surprise. Okay, so eto na. Papilikin din na natin. Okay. So let's bring me game. Last 2 players na magbigay sa akin, syempre na natin. Okay, so na lang last 2 na natin. Okay, now. Let's bring me. Bring me the oldest cellphone. Oldest model ng cellphone. Oldest model. Okay, oldest model. Oldest, yung pinakaluma. Pinakaluma. Wait lang, kanino to? Kanino? Wait lang, okay, sila yung magiging dyan. Mukhang may nakita na ako, Okay, so kanino to? Kanino to, kay Yuen? Sino may dala nito? Sasha. Okay, sige, sige yan. Parang may nakita na ako. Oldest cellphone. May panlaban dito. Kanino po ba to? Sir, may panlaban. Sir, nasa yung cellphone natin, sir. Okay, 6100 and 1100. So, sino yung pinakalumang model? 6100? 1100? Or this one? 61? Alin? Okay, so 6100 nanalo si Kuya. Okay, sino yung model? Echo or yung 1100? Sino? Okay, daanin natin sa housing. Okay, thank you for joining. 16 years your bride. And pakinipin yung mga kay daddy. Ayan, thank you, Kuya. Okay. So, kids.
Oh, bakit? Ha? Oh, ayan oh. Oh, huwag kang iyak. Naka-video ka oh. Oh,
Okay,
video
kids.
yan oh.
So now I want all the kids to gather in the front. Okay.
Rap,
So kids, dito tayo saunan for our birthday song. So my
nakikita ni nakita mo yan at saka si Ninong.
kids, dito tayo saunahan. Okay, it's time to sing happy birthday for our celebrant. Okay, so kids, move muna tayo sa side. Dito tayo sa side. Yan, dito lang tayo sa isang side. Ayan. Kids, dito tayo sa isang side. Matthew, dito tayo. Ayan. Tapos, yung namin daddy dito sa kabilang side. Giveaway tayo para sa cake. Yan, parang kita natin yung cake. Here, Matthew. And are you Kailangan mo lang ano dito, mga pwesto, ha? Okay, so keep ready. Kids, kailangan pala kasing boses natin, okay? Get ready.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, one more time, all together now. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Okay, say happy birthday, Rafi.
Happy birthday, Rocky.
Clap, clap.
Hooray!
Hooray!
What's up?
Okay, say happy birthday, Rafi, kids. Okay, so happy birthday, Rafi. Up. Stop. Okay, so palakpakan naman natin celebrate natin. So, Mami and Daddy, do you have any message for our celebrant?
Thank you very much for coming to celebrate with us the first birthday of our birthday celebrant pa. Happy birthday, baby boy!
Speech na sister. How about si Nan? Happy birthday. Okay, so Rafi, get ready for the candle blowing. 1, 2, 3, and blow! Blow! Okay, happy birthday, Rafi! Palakpakan naman natin si Rafi. Okay, so kids, make a one line, kids. Form a one line. One line tayo, one line. For the giveaways naman tayo, kids. One line tayo. Ayan, syempre, tulungan tayo ni Mami and Daddy. So, Daddy. Okay, kids, bago natin tanggapin yung giveaway,